Hello students, here I shall be teaching you how to write a leave application to the principal or headmaster of your school. It will be done with the help of sample answers. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for new videos. So dear students, remember application to the principal comes into the category of formal letter. And in formal letters, we have to stick to the main points which we want the authority to know. Application to the principal is an official letter. It follows a certain format. Because of the digitalization of everything, this new format has been advised by CBSE and NCERT to be followed. Here you can see this application has been started with the name of designation and the address of the authority who you are writing to. Here the authority is the principal or headmaster. In formal letter, we generally write our own address first, but here it is not necessary as it is being written by the member of the same organization. So let us talk about the format or layout of this application with the help of an example. As you can see, leave one line of space after writing the name of designation and address of the authority. After the name of designation and address, I have written through the class teacher within bracket. Actually, when a student write an application to the principal, it goes through the class teacher. The class teacher is supposed to take the application to the principal after doing necessary scrutiny of it. So write through the class teacher within bracket. Here at the place of ABC High School, you will write the name of your own school. Again, leave one line of a space and write date. Subject is also written after leaving a line of space. Date and subjects are important component of an application. Now, after subject, salutation has been written. For example, sir or dear sir. Any one of them you will be using. The body of this application will be written to the point. No unnecessary information should go into such application. The principal is a busy man. Don't bother him with your irrelevant stories in application. See, what have I written? Respectfully, I want to inform you that I shall not be able to attend my regular classes from 27th October 2020 to 31st October 2020 as I have been suffering from fever for the last 2 days. The doctor has advised me to take rest for 5 days. Then I therefore request you to please grant me leave for 5 days, that is from 27th October 2020 to 31st October 2020. I shall be very thankful to you for this. With regards, yours faithfully. The body of this application will be written to the point. I advise you to memorize this letter and practice writing the same sentences for some times. Gradually, you can use variations on your own. Let us see how this sample application can also help you in writing leave application for different regions of leave. You will see that you need to make slight changes. See the second example. You will find that the format is same. In the main part, you need to change only reason and your application is ready. Here you can see I have kept the whole letter as it was earlier. What did I do over here? See, I have changed the reason for leave like this. So now this is our new application with new reason, and I have not changed anything else. And how this letter will go? Respectfully, I want to inform you that I shall not be able to attend my regular classes from 27th October 2020 to 31st October 2020 as I have to attend my brother's marriage ceremony. Here I have given another reason for leave. In the first letter, there was a different reason, and here you can see a new reason for your leave. So the rest part of this application will be same. See one more example. Again, in this application also, the format is same, the layout is same, and what new thing I have provided here? The reason. Here only reason has been changed, and the reason is I am not feeling well today. So the application will read like this. Respectfully, I want to inform you that I shall not be able to attend my regular classes from 27th October 2020 to 31st October 2020 as I am not feeling well today. This is the reason. And the rest part of the application will be same. One more thing. Keep changing date of writing application and the dates on which you want to go on leave. Important point. No need of writing thanking you at the end of this application. This is wrong to write thanking you because your work has not been done till now. Or we can say that your application or your leave application has not been sanctioned. If you wish, you can send a separate letter of thanks to him. At the end, always use yours faithfully. Then you must write your name clearly along with your class and roll number. So only a little variation is needed, otherwise the language of the whole letter will be same. Hope you will practice writing leave application using different regions. So from now on, start writing your leave application to the principal in English language only. My dear students, with this, I end my video. Keep watching my videos for self-enlightenment. Thank you.